All right, we now move on to speaking part two. Describe a time you visited a new place. So, you visited is past tense. A new place, it can be a city, it can be a museum, library, or anything like that. Okay, please start.
I have visited many places, many historical buildings and public places in my life, but here I would like to discuss about a journey that we made last year with my friends soon after the final exam of my sixth semester. We went to Naran Valley, that is situated in KPK in district Mansehra. We started our journey on 11th of April in midnight. We reached at Islamabad on in early in the morning. We took rest for about 2 hours there. Then we took breakfast and started our journey to Abbottabad. We reached Abbottabad at 11 a.m. almost. Especially one thing that I will mention, the river Kunhar. That fascinated me a lot as it was flowing along the road. Then almost at 4 p.m. we reached to Naran. We enjoyed there a lot. We took dinner there.
Okay, thank you very much. Overall, it's good. Connect your ideas together and focus your pronunciation while doing IELTS listening part 1 and part 2, the way they speak. So try to copy their accent. That will improve your overall pronunciation, okay? Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What measures should be taken to deal with damage on public facilities? Public facilities are museums, airports, and historical buildings.
First of all, we should take care about the facilities that government have made for us. We should take care of them. If we do not take care of them, they will be destroyed. Secondly, a government should appoint people to take care of those facilities. I think everyone should be responsible about that facilities that government has made for us.
All right. Okay, try to use a number of different words for public facilities. Right? For example, public facilities, facilities for people, airports, libraries, museums. So use a number of different words for this thing, okay? Thank you. Good job.